We are now at the trailhead to go to Fuerte Capron. We are spending the day in Guanica. So we've never been here before. It should be beautiful. It has a gorgeous vista. You can see even from down here of the ocean. So I've never been here, but the hawks are flying, the cactuses. We are in the dry forest, so this is going to be pretty neat. Going rappelling down, holding up the hillside.
Yeah, agua.
That's right, Eden. Lots of agua.
Not very far, and we're already way above everything. You can see down below the processing plant, and then beyond there you can even see the malecon of Guanica, as well as the huge bay in the distance. It's very beautiful. I'm glad we took this route because it has a nice view the whole way.
What do you see, Aiden? That's right. There's a boat. Can you say boat? Oh, the trucks, yeah. Guaguas.
See it. Look at this old car. How did it get up here? So we are not exactly sure where to go. We had a fork in the road. We went up this path a little bit. We could probably go that way, but we're thinking we might be a little daring and take this small trail. Let's see where it goes. So we went up this trail, which isn't really a trail, and now we are on the road. So we are pretty much at the top. I think we will see the Fuerte Capron pretty soon. Which way? Which way? So just around the bend, looks like we found some steps. Let's see where it goes. Come on, Ada, come on, let's go. Let's go see the cool fort. Let's go see the cool castle. Come on. Okay, so it looks like we're coming into the fort area here. Wow, look at this, Eden. Whoa. How cool. We got a castle. Look at the castle. Alright, we are in the little rotunda area, the hangout spot. It's a kind of cool little, actually cooler, much cooler place because it's got some shade in here, a nice breeze coming through, and awesome view. You can imagine if they had to shoot somebody, they had a perfect view for it out there. This used to be an old Spanish fort, and then the Americans remodeled it or took it over in the late 1800s during the Spanish-American War, from what I understand. And so this is the inside, and we'll be able to see a little bit more. I think we can stand on top also. We came in from the back way, so there's also a pretty cool staircase at one. Alright, I'm here with my friend Emily. We are going to be the models in the shots of the drone footage. So we are enjoying our time out here on the Fuerte Capron. It's a beautiful building and a wonderful view, probably the most gorgeous part of it. So we figured why not dress up a little bit, right?
Absolutely.
Alright, this is the impressive staircase to the top of the building of the fort. This is what's left of the lighthouse. They were in ruins before, but after the earthquakes of 2020, it got really toppled. So this is all that's left. You can see the tower is gone, the whole front wall is gone. We'll go in and explore it a little bit more, but there's still something there. There's still a nice wall and a beautiful view, obviously. Look out on beyond in the distance, but there's not a whole lot left of this old lighthouse. enjoying Copamarina here in Guanica. Look how beautiful this is with all of these coconut palm trees. They definitely got the tropical resort look down, even in this driest part of the island. I saw on the map that there was a bridge out here, so I thought I would check it out. This is the Fuig suspension bridge in Guanica. It's kind of in the middle of nowhere. Look around.